guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool frame video edit on CapCut PC. A little bit tedious, so I'm just going to copy and paste one video first. Then I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. And you'll see why I do this. So on the first video we're going to select mask and we're going to select the rectangle one. And we're going to create a frame, but we're going to do that in the middle first. I'm just going to eyeball like the size here and then make adjustments as I go on, and I'm going to try to find the middle ground of it. Oh, so it's this, and I might make it a little bit wider. Then I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to select the mask and I'm going to bring it to the right side of the video. Copy and paste that again, and then I'm going to bring it to the left side of the video. I'm also going to just adjust it. As you can see, maybe it is a little bit too wide for my liking, so I'm actually just going to adjust the width of it. Make sure again it's in the middle, and then copy and paste that and move it to the right side and the left side, and hopefully the size is kind of similar. Just move this to the right a little bit, move this to the left a little bit. And that is it. You'll have this really cool video edit. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!